are you saying that, if this treatment is done, once say I'm depressed and I go through this treatment for say 4 weeks or 5 weeks and I'm feeling better after, so does that mean that I would never again get depression, or is it like a permanent cure for me?
See, there's nothing called permanent in life if we talk about. So it's not just like the one thing that helps. So
Mhm.
if I talk about your weight gain or
Mhm.
people are being aware.
Mhm.
So do you think only dieting can help you just with one thing? It would only help you at a certain period, like
Right.
because that's a one medium of decreasing
Mm,
your
mm, mm.
concern because you're overweight.
Yeah.
But if you start eating and you don't change your habits, you don't change your lifestyle, you don't become disciplined about certain things, again you'll become obese. So similarly, depression could has many reasons, or OCD could be genetic and have multiple reasons. Anxiety could have multiple reasons. So we need to work on those parameters also. So the coping mechanism, we work on perceptions, we work on environmental stress, the motivational therapy. So it's a holistic, as I said before. It's not just one thing that works for you. So it's a holistic care. So here we combine a lot of things, a tailored approach treatment for the patient. We are focusing on therapy, where we are working on the coping mechanism of a patient, where they understand, because the life doesn't change. So
Right.
a treatment cannot change your life or cannot change people around you. So if you have a strict boss and
Yeah.
it's giving you anxiety every day,
Yeah.
so I cannot go and change your boss.
Right.
I can only work on your coping and what mistakes you're doing, how you can improve in those areas,
Got
how
it.
can you deal with your stress.
So in addition to the TMS treatment, you also provide psychiatry and
So
other
the answer
services as
to
well.
that
Yeah.
question, that of not getting, so the contribution of a patient is equally important.
Okay.
That's why when we focus on holistic care, so the remission rate of our clinic goes high. So probability of not falling
Yeah.
again into those illnesses is the main focus, and that's what it's unique about the Mindful.